Fellow Africans, I want to talk to you about a serious issue. Two South African brothers were caught and brought back from Lesotho today, and they are now in jail for paying hitmen. They are accused of killing people, and they have 11 cases against them. I want to encourage you, no matter what's going on in your life, don't get involved in crime. Don't take another person's life. It's not worth it. You will end up in jail like these brothers. They are facing the consequences of their actions, and it's a reminder that crime doesn't pay. It's better to choose a different path, a path of life and opportunity. Let's learn from their mistake. Let's make positive choices and build a brighter future for ourselves and communities. These two brothers are going to rot in jail. I will drop their video right now. Here. Oh, listen, people. I'm not laughing at them. I will never laugh at them. I just need you to learn from their mistakes. These brothers are going to rot in jail, and it's a waste. Don't fall for their example. Choose life, choose opportunity, and stay away from crime. Look at their age. They are going to rot in jail. They might die in jail. They will get old in jail. Please stay away from crime, no matter what. Staying away from crime is a sign of you loving yourself. Look at them. No matter how long they've been on the run, the police finally worked with the Lesotho president and brought them back. They are going to rot in jail. It's painful for them, their families, and their children. Let's not fall for what they fell for. Please. Asingabahleki, kodwa sifunde kibona. Ungaze ubaleke kangakanani, ungaze uyenze into ezimbi kangakanani, kodwa konke okwenza emnyameni mase kumele kuvele, kuzovela. Noma uxakeke kangakanani, ungazifaki esimeni. It's not worth it. Okay?